So today we are celebrating our raranga class and our whatumuka class, our uku class, and we're celebrating the success that they've had, the creations that they've made, the innovation, and celebrating all of that mahi, seeing it all come together, and the opportunity for their whānau to come and see, for other people who work at Purapurawhetu, funders, anybody who wants to see the amazing things and the success of our whaiora.
I really enjoy the process of making the pieces, but I don't often find I know what to do when I've made a lot of the pieces. I kind of undervalued the work that was going into it, considering the amount of time and effort that I had been putting into making these pieces and how appreciated they would be by other people. Those pieces still have value, and that's something that I hadn't really given a lot of consideration to before, I don't think.
Creating something while you're healing and seeing the end result is a big part of the mahi. This journey has been amazing, and I'm real grateful for Pura for being there to support me in a lot of my whānau's hard times. So yeah, I'm really grateful for that.
This is our first attempt at celebrating artists for artists. And there's an opportunity for us to see the elements of enterprise at the end of meaningful work.
The importance to celebrate these things is to acknowledge how far we've come in our journey, and just to be reminded, you know, how hard we've worked and how much we've endured, and just to know that, you know, our path ahead of us is steady and sure.
For me, I guess some of those pieces hold mauri of the people that have actually made them, so that in itself is special.
It's become like a way of my life, really. You know, once a week I come here at least. I just spend that time, you know, being able to focus on me and do something creative, but also give something back and create things for other people and for my whānau, and it's just awesome.
Big mihi to everyone who came through, who purchased something from the beautiful artists here, as well as the kaikoa and everybody who helped make it happen.
We will be continuing to keep on creating mahi. We want that foyer to be a bit of an exhibition and also an inspiration when other people come in and they can see the potential of the things that they could possibly create when they walk in those doors. We will always have mahi on display there for people to see.